Hi, I'm Kevin from EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. Choosing hail netting starts with the right type. Today, we'll look at the three main options: Raschel Drape, Leno Woven, and Diamond Lock hail netting. First, Raschel Drape netting. This is a lightweight, flexible option that can be placed directly over trees or crop rows. It goes directly over tree rows and is very easy to handle. Second, Leno Woven netting. Made with strong HDPE monofilament, it features a more stable, durable structure. Strong and durable, it's perfect for high-value crops like apples. Finally, Raschel Diamond Lock hail netting. This cross structure offers a great balance of durability and lightweight. Each type has its role. We help you match the right net to your field. If you are planning an orchard protection project, contact us for a practical recommendation. Thanks for watching and see you next time.